Welcome to the Magnum Ice Cream Factory, where fresh ingredients are transformed into premium chocolate-coated treats enjoyed around the world. Fresh cream is stored under carefully controlled temperatures to preserve quality and flavor.
Every ingredient is tested to ensure it meets Magnum's premium standards.
This batch is within spec. Let's verify the viscosity.
Agreed. The results look good.
The mixture is heated to eliminate unwanted bacteria and ensure safety. The mixture is homogenized to create Magnum's smooth and creamy texture. After treatment, the mixture is cooled before moving to the next stage. Premium flavor ingredients are prepared for Magnum ice cream production. Precise measurements ensure consistent quality. The organized setup supports efficient production. Flavorings are blended evenly into the ice cream base. The cream mixture circulates as automated systems inject flavorings. Mechanical agitation ensures uniform flavor distribution. The mixture rests to develop its rich texture and consistency. Air is incorporated to achieve Magnum's smooth ice cream structure. Special molds are prepared to shape Magnum ice cream bars. Metal molds aligned, Magnum chocolate brown bar shape, automated molding station, clean production environment, ready for filling. The bars are frozen solid to maintain their shape. The coating line is prepared for the Magnum chocolate shell process.
Each Magnum bar receives its signature chocolate coating.
Premium nut pieces are prepared for selected Magnum varieties. Every Magnum bar is checked for coating quality. Advanced systems identify any imperfections before packaging. Production information is printed on every package. Products remain frozen until shipment schedules begin. Customer orders are prepared for delivery worldwide. The products begin their journey to stores and markets. Magnum ice cream reaches retail freezers around the world. Every stage of production contributes to the signature Magnum experience. From fresh cream to iconic chocolate-coated bars, the Magnum manufacturing journey is complete.